Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to remove or how to blank out unused cells on uh, your book on Microsoft Office Excel. So first open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. There is two methods to blank out the unused cells uh, in your spreadsheet. The first one is just to change the page view or your page view that or your sheet view. So we are going to the page layout, view, to the view tab, and you can just choose the page break view, and you will have this one that has or that selects only the view with the things that or only the cell that you are using. So I have data from here, so it take out all uh, the other rows and the other cells, and they make them gray, so you can now just work on your pages like this and just modify on them. The other method is hiding all the unused rows. So for example, to hide all the rows down from here to the last row, we will click on Control and Shift and click on the arrow or the down arrow key on your keyboard. So as you can see, it selected all the rows from the first selected row to the last one, and we are going to click hide, and as you can see, it's hided all the, the rows unused. And you can do the same for the columns and just click and right click on them, hide, and as you can see, now I only have the cells that I'm using or the range that I have been used. So this is how you blank out the unused cells on Microsoft Office Excel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.